Who is taking care of them in this age where people are lining all these beers and whatever with drugs? Will they be drugged? That is what is running in the mind of a parent. It's not that we want to curtail your freedom. We want you to grow. At the same time, we want to hold back. So help us so that when you go out, I remember one of the times that I felt my son, it was my son's birthday. And my son loves to invite very many people. And so this day, I told myself I will be the one who is going to help them. And so the young ladies and the young men came. And I'm standing there on the counter with my husband serving. And as we are serving, the young people did not know we were the parents. So they would come, hey! And that is now my husband. Give me that soda, you know. And my husband would make a face and I tell him, you are the waiter. Please open and just give them. Until they came to know the people who had been serving on the counter were the parents of the birthday boy. And I could see the way they changed. So it is possible to change your mind and to behave right. And also for the parents, it's possible for us to behave right and to come down and talk with you and serve you. So we can serve and live with one another. I am glad to join you with great enthusiasm and a profound sense of purpose as we gather to discuss the topic of utmost importance, mental health. It is an honor to be here at the invitation of my Afya Africa for the storytelling of mental health, your Chronicles Summit. Thank you for your invitation, and I'm glad that this discussion is happening during our time. This summit is a blank check for us here today to present. It presents a great freedom of action and choice to make better our lives and lives of millions of Kenyans who silently suffer under this pandemic. Ladies and gentlemen, my Afya Africa has taken a bold step into the deep waters to save humanity. I wish to commend you on this humane path you have taken. Saving a human life is most important work you are doing on this earth. Once again, it is the greatest work that you can ever do, and because you are in the leadership, I commend you to continue. Again, your commitment to promoting mental health and addressing the critical issues of alcoholism among boys and men in Kenya, indeed, as it is gratifying, it is also speaking hope and new voice to millions of those who are in distress and many to so many determinants. Your mission resonates deeply with the goals of my office, which is dedicated to empowering the boy child and addressing the unique challenges they face in our society. The space has, for a long time, remained unoccupied, and it is time we broke the glass ceiling. We must openly and candidly speak and find a solution to this grave matter. Our distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we must make concise and deliberate efforts towards confronting this complex issue surrounding mental health. I am glad to note that my Afya Africa has taken a pioneering multi-sectoral approach towards this end. I urge you not to give up or lose focus on this journey. At the same time, we should do this in full realization of the fact that mental health is not just about clinical solutions. It is about fostering a sense of community and reducing the stigma and inspire hope and resilience through the power of storytelling. I have shared my story on mental health, and it is a powerful experience to the nation. Many times when you see people well collected and you see them well dressed, you never know. Like Jack is telling us, it is not about how we dress. Sometimes we are dressed and well corrected, but our mind is going wild, and we are going crazy with the things that are around us. And the environment around us may not even understand us. But what I pray, and I'll plead with you, is that you be a supportive system to the brothers and sisters who are around you, to your parents and everybody, because this mental illness is with everybody. You don't know, some is hereditary, others is because you went through an experience.